Hello everyone. Today we discuss a paradigm shift in digital advertising, Meta's new feature, Custom Attribution. For years we have let platforms decide what a conversion is worth, but now the power shifts to you. Custom Attribution allows you to assign your own credit to each ad touchpoint, optimizing toward outcomes in your own analytics tool, whether that is Adobe, Triple Whale, or a custom warehouse. It is time to stop trusting the default and start telling the algorithm what a conversion is actually worth to your business. Let us explore how to stop relying on black box defaults and take full control of your performance data and optimization logic. Why is this change necessary? Simply put, Meta's default attribution is not your business truth. The default model uses rules built for Meta's platform optimization, not for your specific business outcomes. We face three core problems. First, one-size-fits-all windows. A small impulse buy is treated the same as a high-value considered purchase, which is fundamentally illogical. Second, Meta effectively grades its own homework. Naturally, the platform credits itself generously, inflating reported rows and obscuring where real value is actually created. Finally, these numbers are disconnected from your analytics. If you optimize to numbers you do not believe in, you will scale campaigns that look great in Ads Manager but actually lose money in your bank account. So, what does custom attribution actually do? It shifts the logic from platform-centric to business-centric. In the old world, Meta assigned credit using its own fixed rules and windows, leaving you to scale on numbers you could not verify. In the new world of custom attribution, you define the credit per touchpoint. It is your model, your windows, and your logic. By feeding this data via KPI or partner tools, the delivery system optimizes toward your specific analytics outcomes. This ensures that the growth you see in your reporting matches the growth in your revenue, allowing you to scale on numbers you finally trust and results that reflect your true business health. How does this data flow work in practice? The pipeline follows a four-step process. First, you build your model within your own analytics stack, defining how much credit each touchpoint earns per conversion. Second, for every conversion, you calculate that specific credit value based on your custom logic. Third, you send this data to Meta via the Conversions API or partners like Triple Whale or Adobe. Finally, Meta's delivery system receives these values and optimizes toward your credited outcomes rather than its own default metrics. While the technical connection is relatively straightforward, the real heavy lifting happens in the initial step of defining your business logic and determining your source of truth. There are three primary ways to send this attribution data to Meta, depending on your data maturity. For teams with robust engineering resources and a data warehouse, the Conversions API offers the most control. You send attribution values directly server to server. For D2C brands, especially those on Shopify, Triple Whale is a highly efficient partner that offers built-in attribution modeling with minimal engineering required. For larger enterprises already using the Adobe stack, you can leverage your existing models and audience data without rebuilding your measurement infrastructure. The choice depends on your current tools. Use KPI for total control, Triple Whale for speed, or Adobe for enterprise integration. Use what you already have. A custom attribution model is only as effective as the logic behind it. Before you send a single value to Meta, you must make four critical decisions. Decision 1. Pick your attribution logic. While last click undervalues the upper funnel, data-driven or position-based models usually reflect reality best. Decision 2. Set realistic windows that match your actual purchase cycle. Decision 3. Define your single source of truth, the number you would defend to your CFO, whether it is GA4 or your warehouse. Finally, validate with incrementality. An attribution model is just a hypothesis. You must confirm it through geo or holdout tests to ensure your model truly reflects value creation and business growth. To conclude, let's look at the custom attribution playbook. The process is a cycle of building your model, connecting your chosen pipe, and validating the results. We recommend letting campaigns optimize toward your new model for 4 to 6 weeks to gather significant data. During this time, compare Meta's reported outcomes against your own analytics and run holdout tests to confirm incrementality. Refine the model wherever the tests suggest a discrepancy. It is time to stop optimizing toward a platform's version of the truth. By sending your own data, you can finally trust the numbers you scale on and achieve genuine, verifiable business growth. Thank you for your time today. If your advertising isn't delivering the results you expect, the problem may not be the budget, it may be the strategy. At Namster Marketing, we help businesses turn advertising into a predictable growth engine. Book a free consultation with our team, and let's explore how we can help scale your results.